Hello, I'm Peter Aziz. I'm here to introduce my upcoming workshop on magically dealing with authorities. This is for anybody who's having a kind of harassment from authorities, whether it's from too many tickets coming to you, bills, people trying to harass you for more money, or trying to gently put all these strange laws upon you and give you a lot of kind of stress. Also for anybody who has some ongoing issues which haven't been resolved yet. The first step with all these things is always to take your power back. So I always recommend that you first do my free course on taking your power back, if you haven't already done so. What we'll be dealing with this course is how to actually, first of all, deal with the projections of these people and how they affect you. So you can actually dissipate those energy flows so they're not projecting these negative situations on you which hold you in a negative place, such as putting you as a victim or a criminal or always making you feel wrong. How to dissipate those energies. Also, you'll be learning how to deal with egregores. How to recognize the rigid egregore behind these people that's affecting you. So what we're doing with this is totally non-confrontational, non-escalatory. So to simply dissipate the negative energies. You'll learn how to create positive change in the egregore, which is the kind of group consciousness of the group that they belong to. This way, when you actually dissipate that, the people change towards you. You actually dissipate the negative energy that's working very unconsciously. Also, you're going to be learning voodoo rituals that will actually close doors on any negative situation, so it simply vanishes. And of course, as with all my workshops, I'll be giving a magical initiation. In this case, what you're receiving is a servitor that'll actually do the discretion for you, that's able to spot negative situations and dissipate them. That way it makes it easier when you're going through panic yourself and don't feel up to doing it. It makes everything much easier. So this course is totally a non-escalatory way of dealing with the troubles you might get from authority, how to put yourself back in control of your own life and be in a position of power where you can create your dreams. So if anybody who wants to empower themselves and not have to worry about authorities anymore, I look forward to working with you.